Now that we have another estimate open, this is going to be a commercial structure. So all of the commercial roofing applications are separated into the low sloped settings. So this does not mean you cannot have the commercial roofing materials on a residential structure or vice versa, but this is simply the best organization for the commercial roofing types to be in the sketch screen. So all your commercial roofing types are going to be in low slope. This slope is a 13/16 by 12-inch slope. So the commercial roofing materials are so diverse and look so similar that the material type will probably be unknown or left up to the user to decide. So your commercial roofing material types are going to be in commercial. The commercial types are going to be rubber, built-up roofing, bitumen, single-ply membrane. There's going to be additional ones, sprayed foam, all the different roofing material types that can be applied more often on commercial structures. All of the questions are going to be relative to what was previously selected for the material type. So your built-up roofing, a lot of different options for built-up roofing. There's also additional glass layer, primer and coating. I can go in and select any given roof face. If the roofing material is identified as a commercial roofing type, then the fiberboard insulation option will appear. I can do a 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 3 inch, any appropriate insulation thickness I can add to that given roof face. The other thing that's going to be applied for commercial roofing types is roof vents. A lot of the roof vents are going to be left as unknown, meaning you would have to identify the roof vents based on where they're at on the roof. So I can identify this roof as a attic vent or an exhaust vent, and then I can go in and select what type. More than likely any gravity or attic vents are going to be a gravity vent on a commercial roofing structure. So one additional thing about commercial roofing, if the commercial roofing hits an edge that is on a wall, drip edge will be able to be applied to that roofing, to that material type, and it's going to default to clad metal. So this is slightly different than a residential structure or a high-pitched roof structure, to where clad metal will be the default because that's more than likely the material that was added. The other thing that is going to be different on a commercial roofing structure is the flashing types. So we know this roof is a parapet wall, so I can add flashing to the edge, and that is going to match that parapet flashing with the material type of the commercial roofing material. So the parapet PVC or TPO, that is going to be the line item that matches the material type that was added to the roof. If I was to change that to single ply membrane and mechanically attached, then it's going to map that flashing to RFG FLP. So that is the line item that is the closest match to the commercial roofing type. So one thing you'll also notice is I can add a terminator bar to that. A lot of different options with your commercial roofing types. again, because commercial roofing is so diverse and so unique per building, then having profile defaults doesn't make a lot of sense, but we have built in a lot of logic that would apply to all your connected items, all the material types. We've mapped all those based on current construction and insurance industry practices.